Right, we've just come to check out Deepdene Tunnel. We have been here before, but not for a long time, because they did start to seal up the entrance with branches. So hopefully they've died down and we're going to go take a look. It's not a very big tunnel, but yeah, so what I'll do, I'll talk to you if we're inside. Probably sealed up. Is it sealed up? Wow! They're determined to stop people going in. But it's stupid because the branches... What? Because the branches are going to die down anyway. See? But they're trying to block it up with branches. Unless it's just people dumping their tree. Maybe. Not sure. Yeah. Oh. Are you?
Yeah.
I can't remember. I can't remember how I did it last time. I think I got out over there last time.
Are you videoing?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're in. That's what they say on the course. We're in. No, I think that's the best way to go.
But I'll pause for a minute until I get down. Oh, can you talking? I just heard people talking.
Did you?
Yeah.
What, in the tunnel?
No, outside. Right, we're here. We're in. As I said, it's not a very big tunnel, to be honest. There was going to be plans for this, where they were thinking of making it into like a museum. But I don't know what happened there. But at the moment it's just been left.
So I was just waiting for you because
All right.
I'm a little bit scared. No, I was just waiting for you because... Do you want this torch?
It don't look too bad, does it?
No,
You need it, don't you?
no, I've got that. Do you want that one or that one?
I don't care. So obviously that was like air vents, weren't it? I should imagine.
Yeah,
It would have connected over there.
That would probably been heating.
Yeah.
No, I'm not on this,
But it was all to do with the railway control, if I remember rightly, which I will show you that in a minute, even though there's not much of it left now, to be honest. Is that light in there, I think? Is it? Not fire, no. Is it? I don't know.
What?
Was that not a fire?
I shouldn't think so.
No. Was it a light?
That's
Could have
a
been a
light.
light,
That's
yeah.
where the bulb is going, it's old.
Right, okay. I mean, I will, what I do when I put video on, I will put the original pictures up of what it looked like before it came abandoned. So obviously that's would have worked the, or was it a filter? I'm not sure. Look, I'm not no good with this war stuff, I'm afraid. Maybe it was some type, well, it obviously was a machine. Maybe it filtered the air down here, or the heat, whatever it used to be.
Yeah, we didn't need it, wasn't a nuclear, so it's probably for the heat.
No. And as I say, this is the end of this up here. So look, some more light in there. You can see it a bit better there, can't you? And here's the stairs. Now, years ago when we came here, you'd be able to get up the top then get out. But they ended up sealing it up top there with cement. So, yeah. The stairs are quite solid actually. Yeah, they are quite solid, the stairs. Yeah. Don't go very far, it just goes there, and as you can see all the rubble up there. Don't know if you can. Let's go a couple more. As you can see, some of it's there. There it goes. But yeah. So that's that. Now, obviously got to go up the other end yet, and then I'll explain that up there.
So this is why this is for the database.
Okay.
Because nothing's come through.
No.
So, rubbish.
Yeah.
There is a shapeshifter.
Oh, there was a shapeshifter, so it's not
Oh. If you want to do it in a minute.
I know, I realise, yeah, no.
I'll do it.
No, I just wanted to see if it works, all.
Yeah. Cool, I bet this can tell some stories though, Trev.
Yeah.
Right, this section here, I can't remember what was on this bit. But obviously this is where the, we're starting to get into the control bit.
Switchboard.
What that bit is.
All to do with switchboard, the whole
Yeah,
lot. And then they were sat out in that room there
yeah.
for the communications for the railway during World War
Yeah,
II.
that room here, just back there, apparently that was Winston Churchill's room. And he's supposed to have had a bed in there and...
But we don't think he ever visited.
No.
We don't know. You know what rumours are. Bells.
Oh, they're the bells. Oh,
Yeah.
right, so here we are. Now, when we first started coming here, this was the telephone desk, and it was up on the wall, standing up. It was in quite good condition, but obviously over the years, people have been in and just smashed it up more and just thrown it down on the floor. But this was the telephone control unit desk. So the women would sit here on this desk, and that, again, as I've just said before, I will put some pictures up. It's all dripping, isn't it? The old socket as well. Now this was the way we used to come in here. Just round the corner, this is how we used to come in. Round here. And there was like a little wall and we used to climb in. But as you can see, it's well sealed up now. So there's no way of getting in. This one. Pardon? Oh, bait 2, bait 1, battery in it, I suppose. BATT 2 and 1. So obviously that was batteries, isn't
Well,
it?
yeah, they were both batteries back up.
Yeah.
Because then it did go
Yeah.
wrong and they can still communicate.
Fuse box.
I think they need a good electrician now to get that fixed. I mean, it's not that in now, it's been in there.
This was another way we used to come in, wasn't it?
They used to mark the bricks, but they put a metal gate up and then bricked it.
Oh yeah, yeah.
They obviously didn't want no one in there.
Yeah, this was another way in. But as you can see, it's well sealed on this side. So we are heading towards the way we came in.
They're definitely heated ducts. So
Yeah, yeah,
it's still cold down here though.
yeah.
Might not be, might be
Let me
nice.
just pause this for a minute. Right.
I wonder if there's like
Oh, huh?
What you could have to see what it looked like.
What's that?
At the airport, you can get plans
Mm.
of what it used to look like.
Yeah, I think you can online.
They can, yeah.
Yeah. Right, and the story is there was supposed to be some more tunnels.
There's escape tunnels somewhere.
Yeah.
You have to escape hatch at the bottom, but we're not sure if that's true.
And outside, when they was going to make this into like some type of museum, they did all outside, made it look all fancy, the ground. But up the hill is another one, but it's well sealed, you just cannot get in it. But there used to be a great big massive monument outside it, which is gone, and I don't know what happened to it.
So nearly you.
Yeah. Right, so we're making our way out now. So yeah, that was a quick visit on that one. Oh. Yeah, I think I'll go back this way. At my foot.
Push it out.
Oh. What I'll do, I'll be back once I've got down off of here. I'll talk soon. Right, I'm down now. And we're out of there. But I just... Oh, my battery's going to go on my phone. Now round here, just quickly... see, it's right up top there. You don't know if you can see it on my phone. but again, we'll put pictures up. But right up the top there is right up the hill. That is where the apparently it's supposed to be another tunnel, but it's well sealed. It's been sealed for years. And then you've got these concrete blocks. Now if I'm right, I'm probably wrong. They used to be maybe something to do with the anti-tank blocks. But look, there's quite a few of them here. One there, and if I remember rightly, there was some over the other side there. Yeah, so they're all hiding in the woods. Oh, there's somewhere the trees are there. I can just about see them over here. I'll just quickly show you. Shame the torch is not very bright, but yeah. Yeah? Hang on. Hang on. Yeah. There they are there. So you can see some more there. Yeah. And they go up that hill there. Up the hill. But they are all around this ground. But the monument, I'm afraid you're not going to see it. It's quite misty here. But there is a building right up the end there. But as I say, it's a no-go. So, but, I mean, this was just nothing, this ground. It was just all grass. And then, as I said, they sort of tidied it up and put these statues out here. Like that there. Don't even know what that's supposed to be honest. Don't know if there was anything. Oh, there's the outside of the tunnel. But yeah, so you would climb up the stairs. Actually, up top there, you can walk down. It's a long walk though, and you can walk down onto that, and you can stand up on that if you want. As I said, it's all been sealed up now. It's been cemented, so you can stand there. And as I said, these are the entrance that we used to get in before they sealed it up. And there's the gate. So if you want to walk up there and stand up top there, you can. So yeah. But yeah, there's the old doorway, how we used to get in there. So yep, what's that say? Please note, due to its great age and fragility, the tower is only as a part of a guided tour. For your own safety, please do not attempt to access the tower. Well, the tower is the stairs, I think, if I remember rightly, what I've just been on, and it seemed fine to me. But that sign has been up for years. So, yeah. Unless they mean up top there. But I can see there's a metal railing and you've got a wooden railing. People have been standing up there anyway. You just got to be safe, that's all. You know, if you feel it's not safe, don't go up. And there you go. They stuck this in the middle. They made it into a picnic area, apparently. Well, they did. But table and chairs have gone. Yeah, so you've got him sat there. Got that. But yeah, there used to be tables and chairs, picnic area. But now, that building there all used to be offices. Now they've been converted into flats, housing. So yeah, so it's all houses round here now. But as I say, all the benches are gone, so it's not a picnic area no more. But anyway, we're gonna move on. So let me stop the video. Right, so that was a quick walk around Dorking Tunnel. As I said, it's not very big. Still an interesting little place, to be honest. Has got quite a bit of history to it. So is the ground. The ground. There used to be a big mansion up on the hill, but that got knocked down a long time ago. So yeah. But anyway, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go. I just see a light over there. I don't know. But yeah, so what I'll do, I'm gonna go, and because I think my phone's gonna go as well, to be honest. But anyway, as I said, quick tour. I will put some information up when I post the video. So I will talk to you later. Bye.